Whenever Chrysler decides to assemble a purposeful built performer whose main mission is to kick asphalt and take names, the results are usually spectacular. And there's just something about documented SCCA-inspired pony cars that makes them universally appealing and highly collectible. Of course, we all know big block MoPars have been fetching big money prices for years. But what most collectors fail to realize is that equally exclusive small block cars, like this authentic AAR Cuda, are just as hot and sometimes a better investment. With their excellent combination of power and handling, broad aftermarket support system, and increasingly rare status, these classics enjoy one of the fastest sell-through rates of anything in our showroom. And this Alpine White coupe is a factory-correct gem that'll likely follow the quick sell path of its striped and piped siblings. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.